Settings Overview. Once WordPress has been installed and you have uploaded the AdSense Ultimate theme, you can now take advantage of the settings pages to begin to configure and formulate your new AdSense site. And these are found under AdSense Ultimate in the dashboard sidebar. There are many key pages here, and the general settings are the best place to start. The first setting allows you to turn on or off the header, and that is the section that is displayed at the top of the page here. You can then choose whether you would like to display a text logo or an image logo. If you choose an image logo, you can upload a logo that will appear, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use a text logo. You can also upload a custom favicon, which is the icon that appears in the navigation bar of your site. You can add a slogan and add a header image of 950 by 110 pixels that will be displayed in this section above the navigation bar. For the featured banner page, choose which page you would like to have appear in this section here that is currently blank but below the navigation. This is a samples page already created. Add your footer text, turn on the theme copyright if you'd like to promote AdSense Ultimate, and enter your Google Analytics code to track the traffic on your site. You will see just with those simple settings, the page is starting to take formation. Now to the styling options, where you have a series of different color schemes that are pre-formatted so that you can easily change the entire style of your site with just a simple click and a save. You have two different background layouts. By default, the site shows a square background, but you can choose to have a rounded background just to add some variation to your site. You have two choices of text styling, either clean, by default, which is displayed here, or a chunkier style with larger, bolder headings. You can then begin to manipulate the specifics, the different fonts, the colors of your headings, body text, and if you're familiar with CSS coding, you can add your own custom styling here and have it reflected in the theme. The homepage settings. There are three different layouts. You have the default, which is what you have been looking at in the demonstration. There is the two-column layout, and this displays a single sidebar with one paragraph of text, or you have a three-column, which shows you two sidebars. When you save changes, you can then begin to pick the content that you would like in each section. For the purposes of this demonstration, we have only set up one category of articles called primary. We're going to choose them for each of these options just to show the layout. However, in your own site, you can create as many article categories as you like and assign a different topic to each section. You can choose to turn on or off the post dates, and you can select a custom homepage to display when visitors first land on your site. Under Post options, you can choose whether to display breadcrumb trails, whether you'd like pagination, which is dividing the articles up to only display a certain number per page, use featured thumbnails, and to allow comments for the pages. For the Contact page, add your email address so that people can contact you easily. Now under Ad Management, and this is the section that we all want to get to, you can paste in your Google AdSense codes for these specifications, and they will automatically appear on your site for you. You can then go through and change the different specifics to style them if you wish for them to stand out, or even to blend further into your theme. You can change the color of the AdSense text, the link, the URL, and the background color. Finally, under Backup options, if you wish to make some changes to your site, but you're not sure if they will work, you can choose to back up the options, and then if those changes are not successful or you decide not to keep them, you can restore the original settings that you had. And also, to make rolling out AdSense sites even quicker, you can copy the information that is encrypted in this box and import it using this button on another site. All these settings you have just created will be duplicated on the new site.